I'm Chad.
I'm Dad. No, wait a minute, I'm supposed to be Dad first.
Oh yeah, you're Dad.
I'm Dad.
I'm Chad. And this is our channel. We haven't worked. Oh crap. Okay. That's snug?
Yeah.
We'll get the torque wrench later. So we are mounting the, we got the engine in. We're putting the electronics in the CD ignition boxes. So, yeah. And we got this mounted. Starter solenoid. Well, it's drilled. It's not mounted yet. And then we've got holes drilled for cables to come through here. And here, well, we haven't drilled them yet. We've got them marked where we want them to come through. Okay. We need basically all that hardware again that we just mounted that box with.
All right, I'm gonna get these. Like, what that one? What's it right here?
Yeah.
And it goes right here. Missing the bolt.
You're missing a bolt.
Well, there's a lane up here. This is number.
Is it a 10A? AN3 10A?
Whatever the number 8 is.
How many more do you need?
That's it. Got, this is the one, the number 9 bolt right here.
Yep. And then we used that really long one here, so we had one extra.
No, that one came in a package all by itself.
I understand, but we had 7 of these.
Okay.
So that number 9 would have made you 8 bolts total. But since this guy was the really long one to mount the oil cooler bracket, so we have an extra. Got the washers on?
Yes, they all have washers on.
Okay.
Why does anybody build one of these stuff?
Oh no, there's one guy that I follow that's commented. It's Project 2 Arrow. He's building it by himself, and he's doing pretty good.
Well, I mean, I guess you could always get an extra pair of hands.
Yeah, I think his wife's helped him a couple of times, and his son, got a younger son.
Need little bitty hands. Put the thrust on the wheel.
Oh yeah, I wonder if he saw that or not. Ow. Okay, we're on. Let me, I need washers and nuts.
Right here.
This is the ignition system that comes in the install kit for the Titan. So I'm looking on this side how they have that shorter bolt that we were talking about, Dad.
Mm-hmm.
So they didn't do that on the top here. And it is, it's really close. I guess whenever we get the connector put on, we'll find out. But
there was an extra one.
Push that bottom one.
Got them all put.
Okay. I don't know if there's going to be enough meat on that bottom one. to grab it. We're probably going to have to
You might have to get that other bolt.
deviate from the instructions. Oh, there it went. Okay.
There were two of those shorter bolts.
No, we may have to.
Do you want me to do that?
No, I got it. We may have to take that one out and put it there. It didn't call for it in the instructions, but you said we had an extra shorter bolt.
I think so.
So, AN10-7A. I want to have everything on that firewall done before we put that motor on, because if it's in the way, you know what has to happen.
You have to take the motor back out.
Yeah.
Sounds like somebody had to drill out 104 rivets.
Yep. Well, it'd be like Mike 80 and just drop my tools. I just need to find somebody else to clean them up, because I imagine if I come here tomorrow, the tools will be in the same place I dropped.
Probably so, babe.
Yeah. All right. Start at this top one up here. Wait. Okay. I've been watching videos on the Sling TSI. That's a pretty neat airplane. What you doing up there? Okay, go to the bottom. Top one. Okay, bottom one.
Good.
Yeah.
What's next?
I hope I did that right. I was looking, there's a cable that comes down and attaches here, and then we'll pull that up or down, and I'm just wondering, that doesn't look like it's lined up, but I'm sure I did what the instructions said to do. Maybe there's a spacer that, I don't know, maybe it mounts over here. Surely I did it the way the instructions said to. We need to tighten that. That was an AN3 bolt.
Yeah, they're all in it.
25 inch-pounds. Sport Aviation magazine has a pretty good article on hardware basics, what the markings mean, how to place the bolts, how many washers you can use, etc. And then it tells you the torque specs on different bolt sizes. So we are using AN3 bolts. Torque is between 20 and 25 and a max of 40. So we're going to go 25 on those. I don't even know. This guy doesn't even go that low. I'm going to go to 35. It starts at 40. So I guess that's 35. No, that's 30. Okay. Where did Dad put the... Where did he put the...
Till it clicks?
Yep. Click.
Not yet.
You'll feel it go.
It hasn't.
Yeah, I didn't have to.
I never heard it.
It's not going to click. You'll just feel a little.
Well, that's what it did.
Okay. Bottom one. It'll just give real slightly.
I think it's already given.
Here. You go on the inside. You'll feel it very slightly. It'll just. Top one. All right. I'm gonna loosen it. That's all it does is that right there. See it?
Yep.
Okay, bottom one. Oh, I gotta loosen it. Hold on. Okay, top one on the same.
Okay.
Okay, bottom one.
Okay.
Okay, top one.
Top one?
Yeah.
All right, good.
Okay, bottom. Ready?
Well, let's spin it. I ain't got it on there yet. Okay, now.
Okay. Top.
All right, try it.
Okay, bottom.
Okay.
Okay.
What are you about to work on next? Hardware for what?
My Fonzie thumb. The starter solenoid right here.
There's something that goes on the outside or the inside?
Bolts that go through.
3 and 3, 4, 6 is a thick washer.
That's too cool. Our first electronics are mounted. That is so cool.